this is lifting the boat off the trailer. I've got hoists in 4 corners on an 8-inch beam. And we are up in the air. Hopefully this thing won't fall. I got to pull out from under it. Make sure I got enough room. We'll see how that goes. Sorry about the phone. It's shaking, I'm sure. A little nerve-wracking. Alright. And it looks like we're clear all the way across there. And of course, more hoist back this way. One on each side. Tied to the grab bars there. And we're clear down here. And it's going to go on these dollies. That's what we hope anyway. I'll be back in a second to let you know. Okay, one boat in the air. Kind of crooked, huh? But it's off the floor. No trailer. Now time to try to set it down. Everything you do like this is kind of spooky. I had to jack it up way on one side to get the trailer out. I couldn't. That's kind of why it's sitting the way it is. But nevertheless, as you can see, plenty of room, about 4 inches. So let's try to go back down with it. I'll let y'all know how it goes in a second. Okay. That was kind of spooky, but nevertheless, it was fun. And she's all the way down now. All the hoists are off. And in the garage, on my new $100 racks. So, this is the project that started as a fun boat, which turned into a fun project. And, as you can see, I've got all the interior out. And a lot of junk still in there, but there's where the engine is, and there's where all the rod is. And I'm pretty sure that this stringer right here is rotten, and it looks like I'll probably be replacing all the stringers. The next project will be get in here and cut all this out and clean all this up, and I'll update you when that happens. Until then, we'll see you later. Okay, fast forward update on the Scarab that I thought was a really good deal. Turned out to have a lot of problems. So, bought the boat, got it home. Glass was messed up, so I took it and spent a bunch of money to have it re-glassed. And of course that came out pretty good. But then as I got in the boat and began to work on the back seat that was rotten, I found that the floor was rotten, and this is what I found under the floor. A live bait sign and a private courtesy dock used at your own risk, and some harbor marina, I can't really read the word, but obviously somebody at some point had decided to redo the boat, but not the correct way. And of course I ended up with it and the wonderful job of rebuilding this boat. So to update you, I don't have a shop, so I had to redo my shop. And of course I put up 2 beams, one over there and towards the doors of the shop, and one right here. I bought 4 hoists, and then I purchased 2 dollies specifically made to put boats on, and jacked it up and put it here in the shop. Took the trailer out from under it, and this is the result of what's left. I took the 454 motor out. It's in the garage, which actually ran very, very well, and the outdrive, which is marginal at best, and decided the best thing to do would just be redo the entire boat. And of course I know I could probably go buy one cheaper than I can do that. I'm into the boat now, and will certainly have my work cut out for me. I'm not sure at this point how much money I have in it, but I'm sure it's already worth more than what the boat's worth. Anyway, I'll update you guys as it goes along and show you what the progress is. Have a good one.